Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to solve overheating issue in Galaxy A55 5G. So firstly guys, just pull down the status bar and make sure that the mobile data is off at the time when the Wi-Fi is connected. You have to turn off the Bluetooth also, and all the thing which is unnecessary at that time you can turn it off. Okay, after that guys, you have to go to settings and then tap to connection here. Okay, in this section we have an option of a more connection settings. Just tap here and then disable this feature also. This feature is also working on the background, and this is also the reason of heating the phone. So after that, just go to the developer and here search for a background, and then tap on the background process limit. Then tap here and change this standard limit to at most 2 processes. So this may also solve the overheating issue in Galaxy A55 5G. And the last reason is guys, don't use your phone at the time of charging. This is also the main cause of overheating the phone. And plus make sure that your phone is on updated Android version. As you see, my phone is on updated Android version. This is also the solution of fix overheating issues. So that's it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.